Hello everyone, this is the fifth video of our StaadPro lecture series. In this video, we are going to do the load combination, and we will get an idea how to do the analyzing process of these structures. So now let's move on to the StaadPro. So this is our structure. So we'll go to general option and we'll select load and definition, and now load case details, click on it and click on add. And in here there's an option called auto load combination. We have select that, and here we have to give the Indian code because this structure is designing by using Indian code. So we have selected Indian code, and now we have to click generate loads. So we have generated the loads, and now we have to add and we have to close this. Now we have to select the materials, and material tab is here. So we have to select it, and we have to select concrete because we are doing this structure by using concrete. So we have choose concrete, and we have to select assign to view option, and we have to assign it and click on yes. Okay, now we have done the load combination process. Now we have to go to analyzing process, but before go to analyzing process, we should do one thing, that is we have to go to analyze and analysis and print, and then perform analysis. And in perform analysis, print option is no print, and we have to click on add and close. So now we have to go to analyze process. So we'll go to analyze and we'll do run analysis, and we have to save the structure and 0 errors. That means 0 errors and 1 warning and 1 note. That means our structure, our designing process is very good, and it's a good achievement that we reach for 0 errors and 1 warning. So now let's move on to go to post processing mode and done, and here we have to click on apply and OK, apply, then OK. So now here we can see, here we should see the deflection of the building according to different loads, but in here we can't see much difference in the deflection of the building structure. So we have to change the scale of this. So we'll go to this is option called symbol and labels. We'll click on it and we'll go to scales, and we have to put apply immediate, and here displacement deflection we are doing we are applying now. So we have to change it, we have to reduce it. So we'll see in our structure, is there any difference when in here when the which number comes at what time, and then there will be a change. So we have to check that, and we'll continue to reduce. So you can see now, you can see there's a little changes there. So we'll reduce it again, and here 1. So we'll apply OK. So now you can see there's a deflection to earthquake load in X direction. So we'll select earthquake load in Z direction. So you can see the deflection to that, and then for dead loads deflection is like this, and for live loads deflection will be like this. So from this you have seen the deflections according to different types of loads. Now we'll go to beam tab. So we have go to beam tab. Here we'll go to dead load, we'll select dead load, and we'll click on FY. Here also you can see little difference only, but you can't see a proper difference and proper diagram. So for that also we have to change the scale. So we'll go to symbols and labels and scale tab, and here we have to change all these 4. So we'll change apply immediate, and we'll change this up to here. Also we'll change up to 1. So bending in Z direction. So now we have click bending moment in z direction. So that's why we saw a difference in our diagram. So we choose we'll choose for something like that. Here also we'll choose 5 here. Shear in y direction, shear. Now you may see shear diagram 7 8 will do like that, and here also we'll put 7 and put OK. So here we'll start from here. Shear force in x direction. So you can see the shear force in x direction when you click it. When you click this, you can see the shear force in y direction, and when you click this, you can see the shear force in z direction. Now we can see the bending moments. Bending moment in x direction, it's not that much visible, so yeah, we'll go to bending moment in y direction and bending moment in z direction. So you have seen the bending moments and shear force diagrams according to dead load. Now we have to see the pressure of the plates, because we have provided plates for our slab portions. So we'll go to plate option. In here it's available, plate tab. So here we have to choose stress type as maximum absolute, and here this is coming under plate stress counter. You have to think about that also, and then we'll click on OK. So according to our earthquake in x direction, this is our pressure of the plates, and here earthquake in z direction, according to that this is the pressure of the plates, and for dead load this is the pressure of the plates, and for live loads this is the pressure of the plates. These are the pressure values. You can see according to the color, you can see the pressure of different areas. So according to different loads, these values also getting changed. So you can have a better idea about pressure of the plates from this. So now we'll go to animation option. So for animation, here there's a tab called animation. So go to animation and we can see the deflection. So click on deflection and click on OK. Now you can see the deflection of our structure. So this is the deflection of our building structure. So in this video, you have got an idea about load combination and different types of analyzing of our structure. So I hope whatever the things I told to you is clear for you, and whatever the design I did was clear for you. So thank you everyone. Hope we'll meet in next video.